Here's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.